Hello students, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir online lectures. The government textbook, journalize the following transactions in books of Bharti. First is, again this is multiple choice. Bank informed that Amit's acceptance for rupees 15,750 sent to bank for collection was honored and bank charges debited were rupees 150. So here Bharti is the drawer and Amit is the drawee. Bharti has sent bill to bank for collection and now that bill is honored. Okay, and the bank for doing this service has charged rupees 150. So, how much is actually Bharti getting? 15,750 minus 150. So, actually Bharti is getting 15,600 in her bank account. And bank charges, how much she is paying? 150. So, the journal entry will be bank account debit, bank charges account debit to bill sent to bank for collection. Second, Nitin renewed his acceptance for rupees 22,200 by paying to 2,200 in cash along with interest on balance amount at 10% and accepted a fresh bill for the balance for 3 months. Bharti here is the drawer and Nitin is the drawee. The bill was drawn for 22,200. Now he wants to renew the bill. Nitin wants to renew the bill. So what happens in renewal of bill? First the old bill is cancelled. So here you will cancel the old bill first. Nitin account debit to bills receivable account. And then how much cash is being paid? 2,200 along with interest on the balance. What is the balance amount here? 22,200 minus 2,200. That means 20,000 is the balance. Calculate interest on 20,000 at the rate of 10% for 3 months. So that comes to 500. So the interest is 500. So how much cash is being paid? 2,200 plus 500. So 2,700 is being paid in cash. And balance is 20,000. So new bill is drawn on balance. Bills receivable account debit to Nitin account 20,000. C. Dhanashri, who had accepted Bharti's bill for rupees 17,500, was declared insolvent and only 40% of the amount could be recovered from her estate. Now here Dhanashri is the drawee and Bharti is the drawer. Okay, she had accepted a bill for 17,500 and now is declared insolvent. And how much cash can be recovered? 40%. So 40% of 17,500, that is 7,000. So cash account debit 7,000. And how much is not recoverable? 10,500. Okay, so bad debts account debit 10,500 to Dhanashri account. First we will dishonor the bill and then make this entry of cash account debit, bad debts account debit to Dhanashri account. Now see, this fourth one is very interesting. Discharged our acceptance to Savita for rupees 9,450 by endorsing Praveen's acceptance to us, rupees 9,000. Now here, discharged our acceptance to Savita, that means Savita is the drawer and Bharti is the drawee. Is it clear? Our acceptance to Savita. So Bharti is the drawee here and Savita is the drawer. And there is another bill here by endorsing Praveen's acceptance to us. Here Bharti is the drawer and Praveen is the drawee. So we are talking about two bills, one in which Bharti is drawee and one in which Bharti is drawer. Okay, so there is bills receivable and there is bills payable. So the bills receivable Bharti is endorsing to Savita. So Bharti here is the drawer as well as drawee as well as endorser. So the bills receivable she is endorsing to Savita. And see the difference in amounts, 9,450 and 9,000. That means 450 is the discount. So the entry will be bills payable account debit. How much? 9,450 to bills receivable account 9,000 and the difference between the two discount 450. This last part is interesting and it is important. So just be clear about that. Bharti here is the drawer for rupees 9,000, is drawee for rupees 9450, and now she is endorsing the bills receivable to Savita. Okay, so let's draw the journal of Bharti. So let's start. Bank informed Amit's acceptance, sent to bank for collection. So we are receiving money now. There is no date given, so write A. Now see, bank account debit. We have received money in our bank account. And what is debit? Bank charges. It is expense. So bank charges also is debit. 2. BFC, that is bill sent to bank for collection. The bill was for how much? 15,750. And how much is the bank charges? 150. So how much we have actually received in our bank account? 17,750 minus 150. So 15,600 is the amount that I actually received in my bank account. So what is the narration? Being amount of bill collected by bank and bank charges debited. Okay. Now next is renewal of bill. So 4 entries for that. First, cancellation of bill. B, first one, let's cancel. Drawee account debit to bills receivable. Nitin account debit to bills receivable account. Amount is 22,200. Being cancellation of old bill. Okay. Now second, interest, Nitin account debit to interest account. What is the narration? Being interest due. Now what is the amount on which interest is calculated? 20,000. The amount of bill was 22,200 minus cash is given 2,700. So remaining amount is 20,000 into 10%. So 10 upon 100 in for 3 months. So that is how much? 500. So your interest amount is 500. Right here 500. This you don't need to show in your journal, but I am doing it for your benefit. Third, cash is being paid. How much cash is paid? 2,200 along with 500. So cash account debit 2,700. 2,200 plus 500, so 2,700 to Nitin account. Being cash received from Nitin. Okay, now new bill is being drawn. Draw the new bill. You either write new or just write bills receivable account debit 20,000 to Nitin account 20,000. Being new bill drawn on Nitin. Okay. Now the next is C. C is given to us as Dhanashri, who had accepted Bharti's bill, was declared insolvent. So first let's dishonor the bill. Dhanashri account debit, always drawee account debit to bills receivable. Whenever bill is being cancelled or dishonored, drawee account debit 17,500. Being dishonor of bill. Okay, this was the first. Now the second. Second is how much cash you are receiving, cash account debit, bad debts account debit to, what is her name? Dhanashri. Okay, so how much cash is being received? 40%. So 40% is 7,000. And how much could not be received is bad debts? Total amount is 17,500. Being 40% of the amount recovered and remaining shown as bad debts. Narration you can write in your own words, it need not be exact. Now the last one, the interesting one, in which Bharti is drawer, drawee as well endorser. So bills payable account debit, bills payable was for how much? 9,450, and she is endorsing bill, bills receivable account, that was only for 9,000. So the difference between the two is discount, that is 450. So being, how will you write? Being bill endorsed to Savita and discount received. Okay, this is a 10-mark sum. 10 marks are allotted to this bills of exchange problem in your board exam. Do it nicely, do it again, do it multiple times till you get it right. Thank you.